Welcome to alphamantraining.com to live videos. We are driving to nightclub to execute with a client AMT systems, to dance with girls, to pull them. A client also driving. We will park cars and we'll execute. And this is amazing. This is amazing because a client already had 5 lessons of night game training. He knows how to dance with a girl, how to tell, how to open them. Most important, he knows how to scan girls, how to see which girls he can approach, and determine their type, what to do with them, pull them instantly to car, to home, go with them. So a client needed to write AMT systems on the whiteboard. Once we saw that he understands what he's talking, he knows what he's doing, what he will do, then we accepted. We said like, yes, we can go to nightclub and to execute. So same will be to you. Same will be to you once you will come to AlphaMan training. And now we will continue with live video after we will check sound is okay or not. Let's see.